Bonjour tout le monde. In this video we are going to learn the greetings, that is les salutations. In part 1 we have already learned how to greet someone when we meet. This is part 2 and here we are going to learn how to greet someone how are you and then answering back. It's important to know how to say hello in French. Once you have mastered those simple words and phrases which I've already explained in part 1 of greeting, you need to learn to ask how are you. The question and answer of asking how are you has been divided into two parts. First is formal way and the second one is informal way. Aller, not être. So before we start, I want to make it clear when we are using how are you, when we translate it into French, we will use aller verb and not être verb. Before you read and learn about the ways to say how are you in French, you need to understand a bit of grammar. Use the irregular verb aller, that means to go, and not the irregular French verb être, which means to be. When asking how are you in French, this may seem like an odd point to bring up right now, but you cannot translate the French phrase how are you literally or word by word from French to English. You need to associate the expressions with their usage and avoid literal translations. When it comes to greetings, there are many ways to ask how are you. In this video, I will teach you how to ask someone how are you in French. That way, the next time you meet someone, you greet someone, you will be equipped with plenty of options. Plus, I will share several fun ways to respond to the questions. A quick hack before we start. For turning the question around in case the person you are talking to gets to its first is by asking and you. It is customary to ask how the other person is doing. Et vous is used for formal situations or when they are talking to more than one person, that is plural, and et toi is used for informal situations and when there is just one person on the other side. First, we will do the formal way. When you first crack open the almost any French language learning resource, one of the first expressions you will learn is comment allez-vous? Literally, how are you going? It is by far the most well-known French phrases for asking someone how are they. The nice thing about comment allez-vous is that it's the most safe and polite way of asking or greeting in French. It can be used for asking how are you in a formal sense to one person, as well as it can be used when asking a group of people. It is handy in more than one situation. Let's learn different formal ways of asking how are you. The first one is comment allez-vous, which means how are you. I mentioned the pronunciation along, that is comment allez-vous. The second one is vous allez bien. Are you well? Vous allez bien. So I'll repeat the first one again. Comment allez-vous, which means how are you, and vous allez bien, which means are you well. Let's do a formal conversation here. The person is asking bonjour, comment allez-vous, which means hello, how are you. The other person is replying je vais bien, merci, et vous, which means I am fine, thank you, and you. The person replies je vais très bien, means I am very well. We'll repeat it again. Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello or good morning. How are you? Je vais bien, merci, et vous? I am fine, thank you. And you? Je vais très bien. I am very well. Now let's learn how to answer back to how are you in French in a formal way. Je vais bien, merci means I am fine, thank you. I've given the pronunciation here also. Je vais bien, merci. Je vais très bien, I am very well. Je vais très bien. Je ne vais pas très bien means I am not doing very well. Je ne vais pas très bien. Je ne vais pas mal means I am not too bad or I am going to be fine. Je vais comme ci comme ça means I am so-so, or it also means I am neither good nor bad. Je vais comme ci comme ça. Let's repeat it again. Je vais bien, merci. I am fine, thank you. Je vais très bien. I am very well. Je ne vais pas très bien. I am not doing very well. Je ne vais pas mal. I am not too bad or I am going to be fine. Je vais comme ci comme ça. I am so-so or I am neither good nor bad. Comment vas-tu means how are you? Comment vas-tu? Another way of asking how are you in French is comment vas-tu? Because this construction also uses the inversion method, it's considered a formal way of saying how are you in French. So even though you are using tu, which is the informal pronoun for you, it's still a formal construction. You might use this phrase at work with a colleague with whom you address as tu because he is an acquaintance but not a close friend. A typical answer to comment vas-tu could be je vais bien. As noted, this translates as I am fine and you use a conjugation of aller, je vais and not être. So let's repeat it again. Comment vas-tu? So we are using an inversion method here. That is the reason it's a formal way of saying how are you. Tu vas means you are going, which is aller verb. So we have used the inverted method comment vas-tu. Even though tu is a informal pronoun which means you, we are still using it for a formal conversation. Now let's do informal. If you want to ask how are you in informal French, in the casual language most French speakers actually use every day, you would simply say ça va, which more closely translates as how is it going or how's it going. Don't use this phrase in more formal situations, but for friends and family only, and even co-workers at the office. It is a fine way to ask how are you in French. So that's a basic word we use when we are talking to family, friends or co-workers at office, where we want to use informal language. We say ça va to ask how are you. Let's learn different informal ways of asking how are you. The first one is comment ça va. That's a friendly how are you. Comment ça va. Ça va. That's a short way of asking how are you. Ça va. Tu vas bien. Are you doing fine? Are you doing fine? So let's do a dialogue here. The person is asking salut, comment ça va, which means hello, how are you, or hi, how are you. The other person replies salut, ça va bien, means hello, I am fine, et toi, and you. The person replies pas mal, means not bad. So this is the informal conversation. We'll repeat again. Salut, comment ça va? Hi, how are you? Salut, ça va bien et toi? Hi, I am fine and you? Pas mal, not bad. Now let's learn how to answer back to how are you in French in an informal way. The first one is ça va bien. It's going well. Ça va bien. Ça va très bien means very well. Ça va très bien. Ça va mal means not good. Ça va mal. Pas mal means not bad. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça means neither good nor bad. Tout va bien, everything is going well. Tout va bien. I'll repeat again. Ça va bien, it's going well. Ça va très bien, very well. Ça va mal, not good. Pas mal, not bad. Comme ci, comme ça, neither good nor bad. Tout va bien, everything is going well. Let's learn quoi de neuf, which means what's new. Quoi de neuf. Instead of saying how are you all the time, change things up and ask what's new with the informal French expression quoi de neuf. So when you want to ask how are you in an informal way, you can use what's new. That means what's going on, what's new is going on. So you can use this expression quoi de neuf. I hope you enjoyed learning greetings. So if you liked it, do hit the like button. Also comment your views about the video and subscribe the channel to get more updates about the videos. Merci beaucoup.